Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today, in this video, let us learn about can we select the desirable material using artificial intelligence. The selection of materials for various applications is crucial, and these materials are influenced by friction wear in distinct ways. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning have enabled the visualization and classification of wear particles using image identification techniques. By analyzing the micrographs captured through various microscopic methods, AI can access key characteristics such as particle size, texture, shape, and color. This is essential in understanding where wear occurs, the nature of the wear particles like metallic or oxide, and the underlying causes such as fatigue or abrasion. One of the famous examples of using artificial intelligence is in tool wear monitoring. This is a notable application of AI-driven image processing is in the tool wear, where researchers have demonstrated how a microscopic imaging system could track wear on the cutting tools used in machine processing. AI-based image processing can analyze tool wear by applying the processing parameter descriptor to microscope images. By positioning the microscope at the fixed point of a milling machine, a baseline for a new material was established, allowing for accurate wear assessments over time. How can AI assist in material selection? Optimizing coating and alloy composition. AI can assist in selecting the optimizing metal alloys and vapor deposited hard coatings based on factors like thickness, composition, and hardness to enhance wear resistance. Material performance prediction. Machine learning models analyze wear behavior over time, helping industries predict how different materials will perform under the varying conditions, leading to better material selection. AI-driven wear analysis. AI examines how material degrade due to friction and wear, allowing for the identification of the best materials for the specific application based on real-world performance data. How can AI assist in material selection? Reducing experimental costs in material testing, that is, artificial neural network can predict material wear rates without extensive physical testing, making the material selection more efficient and cost-effective. Validating materials suitability for different environments, where ANN models can simulate how materials will behave under the different loads, environments, and time frames, ensuring that selected materials meet the required durability and performance standards. Here in this figure, we can see how the input data such as the structures in the training like smiles, molecular graph, etc. can be used to feature the space of the a particular tool with the predicted properties and target properties to give a desirable output data. That means using ANN, one can predict the required properties for the materials and could produce another material which is desirable for a particular application. So, what is the conclusion? AI and machine learning significantly improves the friction, lubrication, and wear modeling, enabling precise material selection and surface engineering. This advanced predictive tools help to optimize material performance, ensuring the durability and efficiency in complex systems. By accurately predicting the wear and maintenance needs, AI and ML reduce unexpected failures and downtime. This proactive approach enhances the productivity and lower costs, benefiting the industries through a better maintenance planning and resource optimization. In this video, we try to understand the use of AI in various applications, especially in tool wear monitoring, and how AI can be used for assisting the material selection. Thank you for watching this video. To get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.